How to create channel. Welcome. Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel where you should get the chance to learn new things every day. Before start, do not forget to hit the subscribe, like and share button. Let's start. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Tap the account icon in the top right. Tap sign in. If you are already signed in with your existing account, then click on the link below. https://www.youtube.com/channel_switcher. Step 2. You should be able to see all the channels here. Click on Create a new channel. Step 3. Add a brand account name here and click on Create button. Please note, your brand name is nothing but YouTube channel name. Step 4. Your channel is ready to upload videos. But before that, choose Customize Channel option, so that you can add branding to your channel. Step 5. Add your YouTube channel art image and channel logo. Size as below. Channel art, 2560 x 1440 pixels. Logo, 800 x 800 pixels. Get ready to upload video on your YouTube channel or go live. Thank you for watching. Thank you.